Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X8, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you will need to turn it off by holding the power key. We're going to select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the Honor logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. There we go. Now from here we're gonna select clear data and then wipe cache partition. This will instantly begin formatting cache. Once it's finished, we can select back and then restart, which will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.